This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Sylvia V Woods. As soon as you walk in you will say this is my dream home, beautiful luxury flooring down, updated kitchen, formal dining room with gorgeous light fixture, fenced backyard with patio, upstairs laundry, all bedrooms are large, great location, easy access to interstate and all your entertaining needs. Appliances and leaf guard gutters new as of 2019. For more information, review the details below or contact Sylvia V Woods at 757-715-9730.